Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Taurus placements. This is your mid-December general and love reading. Okay? So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading sa ating mga items, okay? So meron tayong protection from evil eye. Meron tayo niyan, meron tayong ring, meron tayong bracelet, meron tayong necklace. Okay? And meron din tayong para sa love. Okay, ito yung ating love bracelet. Okay? So, pang babae lang. Okay, pero kung gusto mo talaga at lalaki ka, you can put it inside a red pouch. O, di ba? May pag ganon. Oo. So, yeah. So, pwede dito, singles, yung may mga conflicts. Okay? Single, yung may karelasyon pero ang daming conflict, yan, pwede yan sa'yo. Po-provide nito kung anong dapat, okay, sa sitwasyon mo. And ito namang ating granter necklace. This is unisex, okay? So, ipo-provide nito yung kailangan at dapat na nasa'yo. Okay? So, kahit meron kang hindi alam na hilingin, ipo-provide niya. Okay? Kung meron ka mang minamanifest, sabihin natin kung deserve mo, no downtime pagdating kay granter. Okay? No downtime. Again. Okay? And next, itong ating bagong item for cord cutting. Okay, so para sa cord cut, iniaalis natin yung mga, sabihin nating baggages, na nagpapabigat. Okay, para makausad ka ng mas madalian, ha? Okay? So, ito rin yung mga ang inaalis nito is yung mga energy na talagang nagpapabagal, nagpapabigat, no? So, in general, sa pera mo, sa love, okay? So, yun po yun, ha? So, yes, kung meron pang ibang tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page, okay? So, yes, yun lamang. Sasagot naman si admin, okay? So, let's see. Okay, in general muna, ngayong mid-December. Hanggang mid-December po, ha, Taurus? Anong meron for you in general? Kung may specific, babanggitin natin. Okay? Anong meron for you, Taurus? Iba sa inyo, may nakita ako, nag-shuffle pa lang ako. Ang sinasabi ay, merong mga makukuha, lalo na pera. Okay? May makukuha, merong ma-approve, merong mabebenta. Okay? May mga pirmahan akong nakikita dito. Okay, so yun po, ha? Specific po yun. Okay, so anong meron for you, Taurus? Star in reversed. What's that? The Page of Wands. Meron ditong Aqua and the fire sign na parang tingin niya malabong kumunik sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. The Empress. This is your energy. Empress, Emperor. Okay? This is your energy. So, there's this someone na pwedeng hopeless na agad, no? Pagdating sa pag-approach pa lang sa'yo. I don't know kung ano to, kung sino to. Okay? So, I think meron ding, sabihin nating energy ito ng merong gustong i-open up. Okay? Meron siyang gustong i-open up. Meron din ditong parang nahihiya, no? Na parang mag-open up sa'yo, I think. Makipag-ayos, I think. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Iba sa inyo, meron ditong something like plan na i-open, like business, mag-start ng business, and nandun yung parang energy na, baka hindi ako ganto, ganyan. Stop it. Just do it. Okay? So, what else for you? Yung mga hindi naging okay, sabihin natin, lalo na po pagdating sa business ha, yung mga energy, yung mga sitwasyon pwedeng hindi naging okay nung mga nakaraan. Sa tingin ko, merong pag-akyat na muli na mangyayari. Okay, lalo na if you're into business, meron kang something, meron kang mga, sabihin natin pinagkukunan ng income mo. Okay? So, tataas muli. Okay, may magi-increase muli. So, what else for you, Taurus? Okay, the Four of Pentacles. Energy of maybe planning to save money. Okay, so what's with that Four of Pentacles? The Eight of Swords. Yeah, this is something like a gabay. You need to save money for the rainy days, I think. Parang may ganyang energy para hindi ka masyadong mag-isip sa nakukuha, ganito, ganyan. Para lang maging handa, okay? Being secured, like that, okay? So, yeah. Somebody wants to reach out. Someone na hindi mo kinakausap. Gusto kang lang makita, gusto kang lang makausap. Who is this? Yeah. Someone na talagang iniisip mo. Okay? Iniisip ka. Yeah. Okay? May nangyari ditong pang-reject before. Yeah. I don't know if this is talking about a relationship or pwedeng gustong kumonek sa'yo romantically. Okay? Pero nag-hold back kasi takot na ma-reject, I think. Okay? Meron ditong gustong magbigay or mag-offer ng love or ng connection or ng relationship. Okay? Pero somebody or pwedeng siya mismo yung takot or natatakot baka ma-reject. Okay? So, what else for you, Taurus? This mid-December. Okay, Taurus placements. The Five of Swords. What's that? The Seven of Swords in reversed. All about swords. Somebody will guilt trip you. Yeah, avoid this. They will guilt trip you. They will trigger you. Yeah. Maybe some of you're doing good pagdating sa finance mo, pagdating sa career mo, sa business, whatsoever. Talking about finance, you're getting an energy of abundance, prosperity. You're doing good. Okay? This is talking about energy ng progress, improvement, pagdating sa kaperahan, all in all. Okay? So, nandyan yung mga, bakit ganon? Parang, hindi ata, kasi energy is parang sarili lang nangyayari dito, no? Parang, okay, nakukuha ko, nabibili ko everything I want. Parang ganyan eh. Lalo na iba sa inyo, single ha. Okay, nagagawa mo, nabibili mo, everything para sa sarili mo. Andyan yung mga panggigil trip, sabihin makasarili ka, mga ganun. Okay, avoid them. Avoid them. Okay? Pakinggan mo sila kung sila yung nagpapasahod sa'yo, nagpapasweldo sa'yo. Okay? Pero kahit na, trabaho mo tinrabaho mo yun, no? Okay? So, huwag ka makikinig sa mga ganito. May mga gusto lang mang-guilt trip, may mga gusto lang mang-trigger sa'yo. Nandyan yung galit, nandyan yung yamot, nandyan yung energy ng, this is mixed emotions, no? Lahat na. Okay? Para lang, gagawin nila. Para makita kung ano ba, magalit ka, mayamot ka sa kanila, mawala yung focus mo sa ginagawa mo. Yeah, something like that. Avoid them. This is stress. Yeah. Okay, what else for you, Taurus, this mid-December? What's for you? Two of Cups. Is there a relationship coming in? Yeah, I think so. a connection. What's with this? Justice in reverse, the Eight of Wands. Some of you, you'll end up ruining, okay? A great connection. I'm seeing here a good connection, okay? Na pwedeng magkaroon ng progress, 'di ba? Pero I don't know if you're going to take this or hindi, like, yeah, I don't know, some of you hindi pa ready. So nandun yung energy na may lalagpas na magandang opportunity, no, oportunidad, whether this is romantic or sabihin nating partnership in general. Okay? Somebody has feelings for you, pero hindi dapat. Somebody is already married. This is specific. Pero gusto ko makita kung ano tong offer na tong parating para hindi mo ma-reject. Yeah. Oh, I think this is ano. Yeah, see? Someone will pursue. Someone will give their love. Yeah. Somebody will give you their love. A love interest, no? The sun is here. This is nice. This is nice. So, itong partnership, itong connection na darating, na pwedeng masabotahe mo, no? It's a love offer. Okay? Coming from a Leo, a Libra, a water sign. Okay? Yeah. I don't know if you're ready. Yeah, you'll reject this. Oh my God. Anyway. I don't know. Okay? So, depende sa iyo. Okay? So, mayroon lang energy rito na pwedeng dumating. May dadating na magandang oportunidad. Like, pagdating sa love. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you in general. So, let's see. Let's go sa person on your mind. Okay? So, yeah. May nakita ko angel number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That's synchronicity. Like, ang tawag doon, pataas. So, pa-increase. Ano daw? Oh, ganong number, like, pataas. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, tingnan nyo na lang. Ha? Oo. Ayoko na magpaliwanag, ha? Taurus. Let's see. Ano bang meron pagdating sa person na iniisip mo ngayon? Okay. Let's talk about your person. Okay, Taurus placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Taurus placement. So, is this person you're thinking of? Anong meron sa kanya? The Knight of... Ano no? Bakit Knight? The Queen of Swords. Pwedeng Libra. Yeah. Pwedeng Libra. Somebody. Pwedeng teacher. They're into law. Okay, mga ganang energy. They teach people. Okay, some of them. Meron silang degree. Something like that. Matapang. Logic. Okay, they're like open. Anyway. So, what's with this Queen of Swords? Who is this Queen of Swords? The Sun in reversed. You can tell. Okay? You can tell kung anong meron pagdating sa kanya. Like, emotion. They're too cold and detached pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, nakukuha ng taong to yung focus mo actually. Okay? Nakukuha ng taong to yung focus mo. Maybe because of their silence. Okay, you respect this person, I think. You're curious. No, pagdating sa kanya, you're curious. Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. So, sa Hermit in reverse, andun yung, ano bang meron dito sa taong to? Yeah, curious ako. Parang ganon. Okay? I think this person is, sabihin rin natin na pwedeng, every time you're near them, nakaka-uplift, no? Parang may ganon siyang energy. Yeah. Kapag hindi mo siya nakikita, nalulungkot ka. Kapag hindi mo siya nakakausap, nalulungkot ka actually. Let's see, anong meron sa sitwasyon? The Moon in reversed. What's with that? Death. This is deep. This is deep. You have boundaries, you have limits pagdating sa kanya, you know it. Yeah. Alam mo na kailangan mong magkaroon ng limit pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Why? Let's see. The Eight of Swords in reverse, yeah. The King of Swords. Somebody, sabihin natin may legal issue, itong taong to. Okay? They're facing a legal issue maybe. Somebody, some of you, itong taong to, alam mo na may asawa. Yeah, may asawa. And hindi pa sila tapos if ever may conflict sila nun. And alam mo yon, I think. Or pwedeng sabihin natin talagang alam mo kung hanggang saan ka lang dito sa taong to. And the situation, hindi iba sa'yo. Okay? Like open. Alam mo kung anong meron dito sa taong to. Okay? So now you know your limits. You have boundaries. Iba naman sa inyo. Okay? So, sa dami naman kasi ng energy, kunin nyo lang po ha, kung anong inyo ha. Itong taong to, pwedeng kasal sa'yo. Pwedeng may anak kayo nito. Okay? Pero, the situation, sabihin nating, meron ditong gusto makipagayos. Okay? Meron ditong gustong gumawa ng rules. Okay? Rules. Some of you, meron na kayong napag-usapan sa korte ng taong to. This is, sinasabi ko lang lahat ng nakikita ko. Okay? Sinasabi ko lang lahat, so wag kayong maguguluhan. Kunin nyo lang kung ano yung inyo. Okay? So, ano bang emosyon nito for you? Anong emosyon nito for you? They're silent right now. They are silent. Wala kang makuwang sagot from this person, I think. Okay? So, siguro gusto mong makipag-usap sa kanya. Gusto mong kumuha ng clarity or answers, pero they're not giving it. Okay? Emosyon. Yeah, the Ten of Wands in reverse, they're dropping you. Okay? They are dropping you. Or parang hindi ka nila binibigyan ng pansin sa ngayon. In general. Okay, the Ten of Cups. Now, parang andun yung energy na, okay, I'm doing fine. Parang ganyan. Sa ngayon, this is acceptance. Okay? This is acceptance. Energy, emosyon, pagdating sa inyo ngayon, ng taong to, this is acceptance. Okay? Somebody did dirty sa past. Okay, somebody did dirty. May nag-commit dito na infidelity. Maybe this person committed infidelity, or maybe you are. So sa ngayon, ina-accept na lang kung anong meron. Ina-accept like acceptance. Kung wala mangyayari, then good. Somebody, may energy dito na parang, okay, I have to surrender everything and accept things. Parang ganun. Okay? Kung hindi ka nakakarinig sa taong to, then ina-accept na lang nila kung anong meron sa inyo sa ngayon. Okay? Anyway. So, what is their next action towards you, Taurus? They're holding back. Yeah. They're holding back. The Six of Swords. And, I think this person, actually, sa ngayon, no, hindi sila open. Eventually, nakakita ko kasi they're open-minded. No, open-minded. Like, andun yung energy na marunong silang umintindi sa sitwasyon. What's with the Six of Swords? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles inversed. Okay, so sa ngayon talaga, hindi sila handa makipag-usap. Nilalayuan ka, lumalayo sa'yo, and starting to move on. Okay? So, siguro, yung energy niya, yeah, the Queen of Wands is here in reversed. Meron ditong involve. Okay, kaya wala dito yung energy ng 3. Nagsusumigaw ang infidelity dito. Nagsusumigaw ang third party. Okay? Gumive up sa'yo to, Taurus. I'm so sorry. Now they're moving on. Kahit hindi nila sure, kahit hindi sila ganun kasigurado nga sa mga mangyayari sa kanila, well, I have to accept this. Ayun ang sabi. I need to. Parang ganyan. Pwedeng maging flip yung energy or vice versa. Okay? So, ano ba ang outcome / advice for you, Taurus? Okay, the Page of Swords in reversed. This is staging, no? Everything, kung anong meron. What's with that Page of Swords? I think this is, yeah. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Lesson learned, like, I don't know, lesson na kailangan talagang matutunan. Okay? Ina-advise rin dito, Taurus, no? Na wag ka rin talagang like totally bibitaw dito sa connection. Hayaan mo na meron ka pa ring alam pagdating sa kanya. Ayun ang sinasabi dyan. Okay? Hayaan mo na meron ka pa ring alam pagdating sa kanya. Wag mo i-block. Okay? If ever. Wag mo i-block. This is respect. Okay? Respect rin sa kung anong meron. I don't know, like, some of them, may energy akong nakukuha na pwedeng ikaw yung gumawa ng hindi maganda sa past, Taurus. Okay? Yes. Again, kung zodiac sign mo to, hindi ikaw ang bida, ha? Kung hindi talaga ikaw ang bida. Okay? Kung meron ako nakikita sa yung something, yeah, sabihin ko yun. Ha? Okay? Porque zodiac sign mo to, ikaw na bida rito, hindi ka masama dito. Well, no. Okay? Kung meron akong nakikitang mali sa part mo, sasabihin ko. So, ngayon, meron nakikita ako sa'yo na may ginawa kang something. Okay? You have to respect this person, I think. Their decision. Again, okay, again, don't force a message to fit. Okay? Huwag nyo pong pipilitin yung mensahe, ha? Kahit hindi inyo, please lang. Okay? Huwag nyo sabihin, ay, hindi po ako yan, ay, hindi naman po kami ganyan. Then, this is not your read. This is not your read. Again, don't force a message to fit. Okay? So, I think, yung mga nakaka-resonate dito, ang gawin mo, Taurus, huwag mong hayaan na totally makakalayo or dapat may alam ka pa rin pagdating sa taong to. Okay? Dapat meron ka pa rin alam. Some of you may anak kayo nito eh. Okay? Wag na wag mo nga hayaan na talagang mawala yung connection mo sa kanila. Kung may mga responsibilidad ka, gawin mo pa rin. Okay? Kung kailangan mong kumustahin yung mga anak ninyo, if ever, do it. Yeah. Okay? Magiging okay rin, eventually. Kung hindi man kayo magkabalikan, nakakita ko dito ng forgiveness and healing. Both sides. Okay? So, there. So, tayo ay tumungo sa all signs. Okay. Taurus, Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay? Let's see. Okay. One more. Taurus. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Diba? Sobrang gamit na yung card ko. Pero ayokong bitawan. Diba? Yes. Aries through Pisces. Okay. If you're dealing with an Aries, the Aries is waiting. Okay, expecting. So, the Taurus wants to heal. They want forgiveness from you rin. Okay, actually. Gemini. Okay, the Gemini feeling the missed opportunity with you. The Cancer. They want to talk. They want communication. The Leo wants sex. Okay, they just want to flirt. This Leo is a player. I'm sorry. The Virgo, yeah, they want forgiveness. They want another chance. The Libra, okay, they want to clear the air with you. Okay. The Scorpio, they're going back, they're coming back. Sagittarius, they're going to make a love offer. Yeah. The Capricorn is invested, feeling invested, still waiting. The Aqua, they're letting you go. Yeah, they're letting you go. Or maybe they're taking actions kung ano man ang kailangan gawin. Pisces, the Pisces, I think hindi na nila kayang trust sa'yo. Okay, they can't trust you anymore. I think, yeah, meron ditong trust issue with these Pisces, or maybe you can't trust na these Pisces. Okay, so energy is moving on. Yeah. Okay, so there. Anyway, so yeah, yan ang aking reading for you, Taurus placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.